Hi, I'm Becky with Icing On Top Becky's Cakes, and I have an exciting announcement. With much anticipation, I was waiting for my book to release, and it released, it's arrived, and it's now available on Amazon in print and in Kindle. And if you haven't checked it out yet, head on over to Amazon and check it out. But as the name suggests, Icing on Top this is an exclusive Buttercream decorating book. If you're a beginning cake decorator and you've never done this before, the instructions are in there. How to just pipe a basic cupcake, a basic swirl. We start that way, and then we go all the way to advanced cake decorating and how to construct a cake, how to build a cake construction for a figure, or if you're building a tower, or any kind of fun structure.
I cover those in this book, along with also all of my buttercream recipes, the yummy fruity ones or the chocolatey ones, peanut butter ones are all in here. Especially, of course, my vanilla buttercream recipe that I use for all the piping and smoothing on my cakes, and just all the tips and tricks that I use in the everyday cake decorating that I do. It's a lot of information in there, and 148 pages. All of these picture tutorials step by step for the buttercream flowers, because you know I love those, so we definitely had to have a whole section designated just to those as well.
One of the things that really sets the book apart are in the back. You will find all these QR codes, and you might wonder at first, what are all these codes for? All these codes represent a video that corresponds with a tutorial. For example, if you were, let's see, okay, we're doing holiday since we're almost near Christmas, so let's go to the holiday section of the QR codes, and you check it out. Here's the holiday ones, and let's see, we'll do the poinsettia. So if you scan, look right on it, if you scan the poinsettia ones under the holiday tutorials, and all you have to do to scan QR codes if you're not familiar with them, for me, I just turn on, I have an iPhone, so all I have to do is I turn on the camera feature, you scan, it automatically scans that code and gives you the link, and it'll take you straight to the video. So if you're in the middle of decorating for the holidays and you pull up the poinsettia tutorial, you see the descriptive tutorial here and the step-by-step pictures. You can easily do it with that, but if you need the extra help, just scan that QR code really easily.
And that code takes you right to the video, and I'll be piping along with you right in your kitchen as you have the book open, so you have the descriptions right there in the book, and you've seen it, you've seen the picture step by step, but just needed that little extra help, so you watch the video as I do it with you, and it just adds that extra real cool element to the book that it just helps your experience overall. So again, here are all those QR codes, and so most of the tutorials in the book will correspond with one of these, and you can see the sections at the top, and then just scan your code and you are good to go in following that tutorial. The only code that is actually inside the book, because we put most of them at the back so it doesn't mess up the image of the book, but this one for the piping practice sheets that I have in my book, you can scan that, and that way you can print them.
But anyway, I'm really excited about that feature, and I'm very thankful to my designer, Abigail Walker, and I also want to thank my editor, Ruth Ann,